from the 2010 dataset, let us calculate the SAT 2010 dataset. Let us calculate a 95% confidence interval about the mean math score on the SAT in 2010. And we want to find and interpret this confidence interval. So this SAT 2010 data set is this. And we want this SAT math section right here. It goes all the way down to 52. Okay. So we could put that into our template on here. And we want the confidence interval to be 95%. According to this, our point estimate's 538.7843. Sample standard deviation of 40.3. Standard error of 5.6431. Margin of error of 11.3346. But specifically, we cared about the confidence interval. So that's 527.4497. And for the lower bound, and for the upper bound it's 550.1189. So just to write that out, we have the lower bound that is 527.4497. And then the upper bound, put that down here, upper bound, that one was 550.1189. And just to write that off in a nice interpretation statement, let me move this down. This would be, we are 95% confident that the mean SAT math score in 2010 was between 527.4497 and 550.1189.